Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to SANSETO Capital. Today we're going to see SANSETO Trade Master Indicator, Your Guide to Success, Part 2, presented by Thomas Selvanathan and Sandhya Chinnadurai. Today we have added some more features in our in our indicator. You'll get to see those features. Here we have categorized the features into two categories: global market and Indian market. We have seen some of the people are trading in Indian market, these settings will be really helpful for them. How to do these settings and stuff? We have created a clear documentation wherein this documentation will help you to understand what is SANSETO Trade Master is, what are the indicator settings available for global market and Indian market, and what are the optional settings available, how to enable and disable these settings, each feature, what is the main purpose, and how we have to understand the features. So you can see those kind of details in the documentation. At the same time, in SANSETO Capital, we also do trading. We do trading in Indian market, US market, gold market, and forex. What is our setup when we do the trades? So when we are doing a trading in Indian market, these are the settings we'll be enabling it. When we are doing in gold and US market, these are the settings we'll be enabling it. Remaining forex market also, these are the settings we enable it. So what are the time frame we are using? What are the sessions we are connecting? All these data, it's already available. We created a document. You can find these document URL in the description. Kindly download and make use of it. Jumping back to the indicator, today we are going to see mainly three things. One is buy signal, second one is sell signal, third one is volume divergence. People get to see there are buy signals and sell signal, they won't work in the market, but in our indicator, it's the different scenario. We are seeing 70 to 80% accuracy. There will be a stop losses as well, for sure, but we need to plan our stop losses very tightly. Also, we have enabled a new feature called the market trend. Okay, so this will give you the direction which side the market is going. If the trend is completely upper, you will be looking only the buy position. If the market trend is like flattening, so you will either out of the trade or you will not take any trade. And if the trend is completely downside, you will be looking only the sell side trades. This is how it is. We have to keep it simple. What is SANSETO Capital? Trading can be simplified. That's all. Let's say I'm in gold, 15 minutes time frame. I'm on 13th of November, like 1 week before. Let me run this back testing. So now the market is continuously in the uptrend. As long as there is a green color candles are forming, this will be in the uptrend. Now we get to see there is a sell signal. We'll be planning our entry here. You can see what is our strategy. There is a sell signal. The candles are red color, and this is our lifeline. Okay, so what is the lifeline is? The black color line we are drawing. When the candles are above the lifeline, look only for the buy position. If the candles are below the lifeline, look only for sell signal, sell side trade. If the candles are touching the lifeline, try not to take a trade, because this uh, lifeline can act as a support. At the same time, this can act as a resistance. So this will work in both the way. Okay, this is our simple logic. Now the first candle, sell signal candle, is touching the lifeline. Yes. The second candle, it's not touching the lifeline. Okay, we'll be taking a trade at this candle open. What will be our stop loss? Previous the signal candle and little buffer above this. So I'm keeping here 90 pips, 95 pips as a buffer. And what are my targets level here? It has to hit this big buyer zone, which is my first target, which is 11 pips, which is 110 pips. If it is coming all the way down, this will be hitting my second target, which is 270 pips. Okay, let's see if this trade, how it is working. So when it is, as soon as it's hitting my first target, I'll be booking half of the profits, and I'll be moving my entry to the cost to cost. Okay, if it is hitting a stop loss, I'll be taking it because I am taking a multiple confirmation before taking into the trade. What are the confirmation? We see one seller zone, we see a sell signal, we see the lifeline is above. Number four, we see the trend is reversing. Okay, these are four confirmation we are taking into the trade. We are not just like that taking a trade based on sell signal. Okay, let's see how it works. So the market is going back. We have already kept a stop loss at this level, but the market is not, it took a pullback. You can get to see these candles. So it is crossed my first target, which is 100 pips. 100 pips is done. And where it have reached nearly my target of 1 is to 2.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, here it is taking the previous day low. The good thing about our indicator is people who do trading without the indicator, you can get to see. You have to plot. You have to plot your previous day low. You have to mark your price action labels like, okay, this is high. This is a breakup structure. This is a equal low. This is support. This is a resistance. Once this is broken, you need to remove those lines and you need to draw new lines. But we have used the artificial intelligence concept and the array concept. Whenever there is a new structure is broken, that will be recorded into the system, and the previous structure will be a new structure. Like when one support is broken, there is a high possibility that becomes a resistance. Similarly, when the resistance is broken, there is a high possibility that becomes a resistance in future. But when it will come, we don't know. Our indicator will do all the forecasting for you. So far, we have captured nearly around 200 pips, 220 pips. Still, the candles are in red color. If you are doing a positional trades, you will be holding into the trades. Let's play how this trades is going on. No matter how the candles are traveling, you can see the candles are going up and down, but our entry was here at this level, 2602 level. Okay, so no matter the candles are doing up and down, green color candle, red color candle, no matter it is, the trend is downtrend. So we'll be holding on to the trend, we'll be holding on to the trades. Okay, and we'll be booking some of our profits. So this was our previous month low, PML. This was our entry. Previous day low, this was our take profit one. So here around 120 pips is already captured. So I'll be booking half of the position and moving my stop loss to the cost to cost entry. Even though if the market is reversing, I'll be losing nothing. Okay. So I'll be holding on to my trade now. Let's see. This was my target. We'll see if my target is hitting or not. Okay, my target hit. This is 260 pips profit in this trade. 260 pips profit. 260 pips in gold is a good amount. People who are trading in gold, they'll be knowing what is the return of this 260 pips. Okay. If you are, if you have more options, you will be holding on to the trade again because the trend is continuously still falling. The market is falling. There is a saying in the market, when people are fear, you should be more greedy. When people are greedy, you should be more fear. As long as the candles are green, I'll be holding on to the trade. What will be my next target? This support will be my next target. You know, this target is already available in this before the day opens. So let's see if we can get to capture 500 pips, which is 50 points in gold. Because these levels are not just the random levels which has been plotted by the indicator. There is a calculation the algorithm has been doing. The algorithm is calculating the previous data history, current market trend, and future prediction. Then we are plotting these levels. This is where the liquidity is available. If the sellers are coming, when there will be a stop for buyers. So here the buyers are waiting. If it is touching or it is coming very close by, there is a high possibility the market can go reverse. I've seen people, sir, you have drawn this line at 2548, but the market have come to 2550 and returned back. Your strategy is failing. How is this possible? Because there is a high possibility the buyers can come early entry. Okay, so we need to plan our trades. We need to trial our stop losses wherever there is a possibility. We'll be trialing the stop loss to this big seller zone. Then this big seller zone will be trialing our stop loss. Even setting this area will be a 380 pips. Okay, when the market is flattened, started flattening, will be out of the trade. At this level, let me pause it here. At this level, you can see the market, it was continuous red only. You can see the market was continuous red. Here it started changing its direction. Okay, so what did I say? When the market is falling, this will take a correction and this could be a pullback. This is scenario number one. Scenario number two, there is a correction. The market is consolidating. It can take a pullback and it goes to the same direction. This is the second scenario. The third scenario, the market is coming down and it is consolidating, it's not moving at all. So this is third scenario. After, as soon as you're seeing these candles, you will be exiting out of the trade. Okay. How much you have captured? We have captured somewhere around 50 to 60 pips. Sorry, 50 to 60 points, which is 500 to 600 pips. This is a huge trade. Okay. Similarly, for Indian market traders, let me do in Nifty. If you go in Nifty, you get to see similar kind of a directional trade in Nifty as well. Okay, the candles are plotting. Here, if you see, as soon as you see the sell signal, as soon as you see the sell signal, the market have started falling. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. So the market have given nearly 630 points. 630 points in Nifty, it's a huge amount. Okay, people who are in trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, you can use this. You'll get to see how the market structure is being analyzed by the indicator. This will really help you guys. Okay, so I want to talk the last part, which is the volume divergence. People who have seen our previous video, they'll be very much aware what is volume divergence. What is a volume divergence is when there is a market is continuously in one direction. Okay, the market has to showcase some signal. It has to change its direction. Okay, when there is more buyers and sellers, they are just fighting each other, and there will be a place, it will give an indication that okay, this is where the volume divergence is going to happen. So what we can do, we can mark the high and low of the candle and move, we can work on a trade like this. Okay, let's see in this scenario, the market was falling continuously. Okay, here there are two yellow signals. We see the market is falling here. Here there is one yellow signal. Here there is only one more yellow candle is there. I will explain what is this yellow candle and how it works. Let me hide these remaining everything. So we'll work only based on the yellow signal. The yellow candle is a very powerful candle, but it depends like where the volume divergence happening. It really matters. Okay, in this particular scenario, the volume divergence is happening at this level. Okay, there is a sell signal, there is a volume divergence. You need to mark high and low of this candle. Which side the market is giving a closure, you need to travel in this way. Okay, in this side, it has fallen this side. In this particular candle, you just have to mark the high and low of the candle. Low will be your stop loss. Whenever it is breaking the high, that will be your target. I mean, that will be your entry. You can look for 1:2 risk reward ratio by default. Okay, you can see here this will be your entry. In the previous one, this will be your entry, this will be your stop loss. In one candle, on two candle itself, this is given 60 pips. In two candle, you got 60 pips. In this area, this will be your stop loss. In here, you can see 1:2.9 is your risk reward. In this area, how much you could have captured is, you could have captured like 14, 13, 14 pips, which is 1:3, 1:3.72 risk reward ratio. Here you get to see there is more volume divergence is happening. Okay, as I said earlier, when there is a lifeline, if the candles are touching the lifeline, better not to take a trade. Okay, so I'll be avoiding this one. I'll be avoiding this sell signal also. I'll be avoiding this candle also. I'll be avoiding this also. I'll be mostly avoiding this also because it's touching. It's not fulfilling my condition. Okay, when when we need to plan for an entry here and even in this level, I'll be skipping this sell signal. I'll be entering on the next candle only. Okay. Even in this scenario also, what you could have done, you could have skipped the first candle for the buy. Okay, you could have skipped the first candle for the buy. You could have entered the next candle for a long position. The low of this candle will be your stop loss, and this resistance zone will be your target, which is like 1:1 risk reward ratio, 50 pips. You have got it already. Okay, so this is how you analyze, same like us. And as we know, our indicator will work in all the global markets. You can apply in Indian market, US market, MCX, all the um, metals, other coins, crypto markets, and forex market. What do you literally need? You just need a trading account, and if any tradable symbol is available in the trading view, you can able to use them. And what all the new features are? Lifeline, King of UMA, market trends, CD zones, daily pivot trends, momentum candles, smart money concept, action, price action labels, open range breakout. For this is exclusively for Indian market. For the other market traders, not required to be using these things. You can work on these levels. In order to go in deep level, what you can do, you can just check on our document. The document link is available in the description. You can download this PDF and you can try to apply what kind of setup is suiting for you. Our indicator will help for scalpers, positional traders, swing traders, long-term investors, crypto traders, gold traders, forex traders. Everyone can use. This is only a one indicator for all the markets. Okay. If you have any questions, you can see our WhatsApp number. You can contact us via WhatsApp. And the best part is we are offering 7-day free trial for our SANSETO Trade Master Indicator. Whoever want to try or demo trading or paper trading, or you want to do real trading based on our current video and previous video, you can contact us. You can share your TradingView ID. We'll be able to give 7-day free trial access. You can do all your testings and stuff. Okay. Kindly share this video with everyone. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Share this video and this indicator to people who are already in loss, people who are making smaller profits, people who are trading based on the tips and calls from the others. Because our indicator will give you a technical analysis. This will give you where is the support, where is the resistance. If the market in support, what you're supposed to do? You are not supposed to take a sell trade and wait for it to break. No, you have to travel along with the big buyers. Our algorithm is targeting bigger targets only. There will be stop losses. It's part of the process, but try to keep your losses very minimal and your profits very bigger. You need to learn how to um, travel along with the trend, how to travel along with the big buyers and sellers. Our indicator is the only one which can give you a best possible outcome. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.